No wheelie bar. You got the kinks out of that bitch. Gonna put the washers and new bearings on that motherfucker spinning. Got the seat mounted. Letting it dry. Got the motor half buffed. That's not the carbon shit. I just put it on there because, you know, I don't want shit flying in there. Gonna do the bearings and the axles later. This is mock up. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it black yet. Might. Got this shit somewhat sprayed. Got it hanging. It's faded right now. It's primer. Sand it down and fucking get with it. Got that taped off. Primer. Mini biking primer. Got the grips off. I'm about to fucking... I don't know what we're gonna do yet. And this is it right now. It's fucking coming. I'm debating on painting it either yellow or that fucking bad green I got left over here. I'm probably painting green. Anyways, I'll hit you cats up late.